As you know, manually controlled background elevators are quite inconvenient to operate. But the new NANGUANG radio-controlled electric background elevator makes photography much more convenient. This time we have already installed our background cloth onto the NANGUANG radio-controlled electric background elevator in order to save time. Let's look at the lighting case. This is a mini studio for portrait and clothes shooting. We're going to practice shooting winter, spring, autumn and summer dresses as well as bikinis, using different lighting solutions in different cases. Today we're using 4-unit NANGUANG LED photo lights, the Combo 200 and the CN P100W2, to set different lighting according to different requirements. Let's practice. Now let us start to take photos of the winter dress. First of all, I will set the lights. I will set the key light and the filling light. The lights influence each other, so turn off the 2 Fresnel lights first. The key light is used to light up the face of a model. We set it to 45 degrees and maximum power. The Combo 200C is a bi-color light, so temperature can be adjusted in order to match the temperature of the Fresnel lights. We'll set all the lights to daylight level, 5600K. Now we find the face of the model is very vivid, but it is not perfect for the portrait or the dress shooting. In order to eliminate the shadow from the model, we need to set the filling light to make the light become balanced. The filling lights need to be lower brightness than the key lights. Now the light is even and suitable to shoot. Because the model is wearing white, we need to set the Fresnel lights to light up the background and separate it from the subject. The CN P100W2 can be adjusted from spotlight to floodlight. We would like to adjust it as spotlight this time. We also need to turn off the panel lights first and make the light shine on the hairline. In order to avoid overexposure on the nose, we need to adjust the barn door on the light and raise the light stand higher. Now we turn on the panel lights to find the lighting layers are clear, and we can start to shoot. We need to change the color temperature in the camera because the light now is 5600K. We require the lighting environment to be even because we will shoot every side and every detail of the dress from the front, back and sides. Now let's work with an autumn dress, still using the 4-unit NANGUANG light to make another lighting solution. In one lighting kit, if one light is turned on to the maximum power, we need to lower the other's brightness to make the light ratio become rich and the layering clear. Now the backlight is the brightest, so we should lower the brightness of the fill light to achieve a better lighting effect. Even a small adjustment can be very useful owing to the feature of the LED lights. What you see is what you will have. This makes production extremely convenient. Okay, now you can see 3 aspects of the lighting setup. The key light and the fill light are used for layering, one Fresnel light is used to make the outline of the model, and the other is used to light up the background. Okay, let's start. Spring and autumn dresses are more casual, so it's important to have the model relax. Detail is crucial in dress photography. It's important to pay attention to the style, the coordination, and the details of the dress. Our model is now wearing a spring dress. It's really stylish, isn't it? Now we're going to set the lighting to complement this design. This time we're going to focus on adjusting the Fresnel lights. I'll remove the Fresnel lens from the light and mount a soft cap on, making the light brighter and diffusing it over a wider area. Okay, let's put it on. I'll turn off 2 panel lights to improve the effect. In order to reduce its effect on the model, I'll adjust the angle to light up the background cloth. In the same way, I'm going to set the other Fresnel light, turning it to maximum power to light up the background. Okay, now I'll turn on the panel lights to shoot. When we apply the soft caps to the CN P100W2, the lighting area becomes wider, ensuring there is no corner unlit. We can shoot the model regardless of distance, and we can even capture fine details, such as the trinket on the model's hand. Summer is coming, and our model is dressed for it. We want to achieve a feeling of high energy to reflect the season, so we should adjust the lighting angle. Okay, let's get down to it. In summer, people long for a seaside vacation, and nothing works better on the beach than a sexy bikini. The bikini is popular among photographers too. According to this bikini, I will set the lighting again to create a different effect. This time we're using 3 lights, 2 Fresnel lights and 1 panel light. Adjust the lighting angle of the filling light to light up the eyes. To achieve contrast, turn up the brightness level of the filling light. Alright, let's shoot. Now we'll continue using the NANGUANG 3-light set to shoot underwear. For underwear photography, gentler lighting is required. You can use the Fresnel light on the background in order to display the shadow of the model. Keep the brightness level moderate and keep the barn door wide open. This will help you to capture every detail of your model. In addition to focusing on the clothing and props, it is essential to communicate well with your model during the session.